Hey y'all, and it's the second part of editing the content of the test portfolio. If you picked up where we left off last time, we saw do this one, the test portfolio over here, and let's see it from our webpage, what it looks like. When we go through our portfolio over here, it says it's here. Let's click it and see how it looks like. Now, this is how it is right now. Now, if we want to make modifications, of course, this picture is obviously too big, huge, and the smile is just growling at us. So we want to change that a little bit. Go here on the top, edit this page. For example, let's give a lesson on changing the image size. Right now, it's the default picture size, but we go here to the options. I just click the options button of that image part. And we have this width over here that we skipped last time. So what this actually means is how wide the picture will be on this site. So let's choose 150 that I tested out just now, and let's see how it goes. Now, comparing to the huge picture that was just here, now we get a pretty nice one. Now, it's good, it's good, it's good now. Now, what else would we want to do? For example, we can change the place of the picture, like put it anywhere we want. And theme, oh yeah, theme. This must be a good one for all. You know, the theme right here is somewhat kind of like a summer theme. Now it's September, so we can put something more, like this. Yeah, it gives out a nice, better look right now, and why not? We can change it to another theme, like fresh. Oh, very classy. But let's keep on going, and I want to change it actually back to where it was, so maybe no theme selected is the best for you guys to keep up with me. And what could we do here? We could, let's say, we want to kind of like change the position of these things. So right now they're in this kind of like formula. There's 1 point here, the image goes here, the recent journal, they're just all going downwards. But what if we try to take them to the side? Obviously now we can't, because we chose a model that's in this format that we just have, well, let's see actually. No, we can. Here, so if you have something like a block that's not too much wide, you can choose to where you can put it. Of course, you have to have, like you see in very small fade-in color. Over here you can see the outlines of these boxes, and it depends on your formula how you use the what is this template, like what kind of position you can put these things in. Of course the others are in this big wide block, but I can scroll this text between these places. Maybe I can even scroll this one here. The small stuff, would be nice to put all the small stuff on the bottom like that. Exactly. So now what we have left here is recent journal entries, alright? And then on the bottom we have these. Now if we want to somehow change it, let's look what we can do. External media, personal information, not from here, general, navigation, could it be navigation? Cell, no, not from here. Also, while I'm clicking these, you will see what all kinds of options there are. I'm trying to cancel this now. Well, let's just save it and do that. But feedback, no. Creative Commons navigation plans. Text box, Edit layout, yes, here it is. I'm sorry, I didn't notice it at first. Now we can edit the layout, but first, before we let it out, let's put some more content so we see how this edit layout works. For example, we can put, what do we have here? Let's put our entire resume here. That could be fun. Let's see how it goes. Alright, it's over here. Well, actually, it doesn't look that bad. My entire resume, it's concentrated on the middle. But if we edit layout for now, let's see what we can do. The one we have chosen right now is this one. So I want to make it a bit different. So we had this one, or no, here it is. This one that has the button. So we have 3 rows on the bottom. So maybe if I want to make it a bit more interesting, there's so many columns and different lines in here. Let's make it like this. Alright. Yes, or do you have any other options for that? I'm thinking about what could be good for my resume, because it's kind of like long lists, so one side could be really long and the others could be like not so long. Well, we have, for example, create custom layout. You can pretty much number of columns, let's say 4. Column layout. What does it say? You can do different kind of columns in here. Depends on that, but let's say I want to do this one. Create new layout. Alright. It might have been there already, but yeah, it actually is. So, save. I will save that. And now it has 3 columns, and for now this huge resume is using up all of it, so I want to get these 2 things out of here so I can move them out like that. The text box and the academic goals. Now I only have my resume on the left over here. Oh wait, I have my journal entry, so we can put it up here. So now, as on the left, you can see my entire resume. It looks pretty simple over there, but now I have a huge amount of space that I could add over here. So you can see these are pretty much the lines that I can put it into. Maybe a picture, on the middle, and let's put this academic goals over here. So that's pretty much it for editing layout and so on, and thank you for listening.